Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video I have come in with TCS course that is for data scientists and those that who likes data management. So this is TCS Mastercraft Data Plus overview, and this course you can get it for completely free. You can see here this is the certificate of this course. You will get a special and verified 100% verified certificate of the TCS Mastercraft Academy. So this is a very great certificate. You can add it to your resume and everything that you want. This is very valuable. And this course, this is duration is 1 week, and you can get it or 2 hours in a 1 day. So it's a online self-paced that whenever you come in you can take it. You can see here primary audience. This is for those students that who want to learn this. You can see here product manager, release manager, tester, developer, SOC security officer. So this is for all kind of engineer, domain consultant, technical architect. So here you can see here the course syllabus that you will learn in module 1, module 2, module 3. Here is the learning process that what you will learn, and in the last you will get 100% verified certificate. So how you can get this certificate? You have to give an assessment, and this assessment not necessarily for this is that you can get this is take this assessment uh, a few times that you can score 70 plus. So if after you scored 70 plus in this assessment, you will get 100% verified certificate. So for registration you have to click on this subscribe now button. So you have to click on subscribe now button. After clicking on it, you can see here you have to give your email ID and password if you want. If you're the previous user, if you are the new user, you have to click on this create account button. So after creating account, you will be redirected to this course TSS Mastercraft.